Hi and welcome back, guys. I actually are able to make a video today. As you can see, I just arrived here in Greece. And I found some interesting things here in the chart that we definitely have to talk about today. And the title is No Clickbait. I actually lost this amount of money with Celsius. And I also definitely want to talk about this, what's happening here. And if you think that's interesting and you want to stick around until the end, then definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get first here into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the 4-hourly chart, I wanted to point it out that there is still the possibility that we form here this triple bottom pattern where we have a lower low, here a higher low, and here the third low. So in this consolidation phase here. By textbook, I looked it up for you guys. Here you can see it. So we have here the first touchdown after we come out of a downtrend, come up to the neckline, second touchdown, neckline, third touchdown, and then we actually break out above the neckline and go then higher. So now when we look here, that is exactly what we can observe right now. So I can also, let me see here, where is it? It's here. So down here could be this support box that we also saw in the textbook. So that could be here the support box for now. And we got now already this third touchdown here. If that would be a triple bottom pattern, we should now see a rally upwards, a break above this neckline, a retest, and a further move here back to the upside to potential technical target of $25,000. So the problem is that there are signs in the chart that are telling us otherwise. And I also get in a second into that. But first of all, I want to talk about Celsius. Yes, I lost potentially $2.5 million with Celsius. I know that my team told me that I got partially the money back, but I know it's not everything. Because I was traveling, I had not the time to check yet, but I know that for a fact that I have lost a really big chunk of that money with Celsius. And I actually have to dig deeper into this Chapter 11 bankruptcy thing to see to how much I'm actually entitled to get back from Celsius at a later stage if I ever get something back. And it's really strange because they paid back their loans and then they decided to file for bankruptcy. But let's read here the post from just a couple hours ago. Moments ago, Celsius Network filed voluntarily petitions for Chapter 11 protection and announced that the company initiated a financial restructuring. Filing for bankruptcy is not a restructuring. This means actually they have no money anymore. The company is insolvent, they cannot pay, they are bankrupt. So here you see the whole article. They announced that they initiated the 11 proceedings to provide the company with the opportunity to stabilize its business and consummate a comprehensive restructuring transaction that maximizes value for all stakeholders. To implement the restructuring, the company and certain of its subsidiaries filed voluntary petitions for reorganization under Chapter 11 of the US Bankruptcy Code in the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York. So there you see. I know that Chapter 11 gives them around 30 days time to sort things out. And if they can't, then the bankruptcy procedure is proceeding. There is what a member of the committee was saying. Today's filing follows the difficult but necessary decision by Celsius last month to pause withdrawal swaps and transfers on this platform to stabilize its business and protect its customers. Without a pause, the acceleration of withdrawals have allowed certain customers, those who were first to act, to be paid in full, while leaving others behind to wait for Celsius to harvest value from illiquid or longer-term asset deployment activities before they receive a recovery. So you see, potentially I still have to wait quite a while until I get the rest of my money here back. I don't want to now bore you with the whole article. But in essence, it says if they are not able to get solvent with with a plan within 30 days, they will start to get liquidated. So and here you see $167 million are now given to Celsius to support operations so that they can actually pay out people that want to withdraw, like myself. So, but now let's get back here to Bitcoin. So, because here on the daily chart is something else that is for me quite concerning. So, and that is here, these cascading moves to the downside, followed by a consolidation. And here again, same cascade to the downside, and then consolidation, and we could see potentially another cascade to the downside. What I had said also the other days, to potentially $13,000. So, but how would I trade this right now? So I believe we have, in any case, we have to come back up here to $22,000 to test this resistance here one more time. And if we cannot break it to the upside, which would be also the neckline for the triple bottom pattern, and we get rejected, then we know we will get lower and see another big cascade to the downside. But in the meantime, we can long this with a low leverage long position to the neckline to $22,000, close the trade there or partially close it, or at least move the stop loss up, and then see what's going to happen. If we break above, or if we break actually, or if we get rejected and break lower. That's my plan. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to open a new long position just after this video to trade this all the way up to this neckline, and there I'm gonna close that trade, and then I wait and see what's going to happen. So if you also want to take this trade with me, which I actually also going to post in the free Telegram channel once again, then don't forget that you still can go here to Bybit. Bybit will still give you $4,450 if you sign up with my specific link. The only thing that you have to do is to click on this link, then register with your email address, start trading and claim your bonus. The same goes for BitGet. There you still get $8,000. That is the highest bonus that they actually give out ever. They have never given out such a high bonus, and only a few people actually have that bonus. And I have negotiated this for you guys, so you get up to $8,000 in free bonuses if you use here my specific link for BitGet. And also on Phemex, you still get $4,100 in bonuses for using my specific link all the way down here. You find the links in the description and also in the pinned comment below. So definitely take advantage of that. There's how much is this? This is like $16,500 absolutely for free just for signing up on these exchanges. So if I would not have an account there already, I would be signing up immediately to take all this money and to trade with this money on these platforms. So yeah, definitely check this out. Guys, that's already more or less for today. Again, I just wanted to make a quick one. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I will make tomorrow, of course, another one. So please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.